Cecilia Louie of Paper Zen. I love the dimensional quality of my cards, but how do you present or mail it to someone without ruining all your hard work? If I'm hand delivering my card, I use a stiff jewelry box like this one. It even comes with cotton batting, which you can remove. This box is exactly 5 by 7 inches, so I would suggest that you trim down your 5 by 7 cards, otherwise it's going to be a little tough getting it out. My husband is always on the lookout for boxes like this at his workplace when they deliver computer parts or other small packages, and he knows how happy I'm going to be when I get my hands on corrugated cardboard like this. That's great for when I want to mail my card away. So I would put my card in the jewelry box, and then I would take some crumpled up scrap paper and put it inside the box to line it and give it some cushioning. This extra depth will make sure that, you know, even if it gets crushed, it's still got some breathing room before it touches my jewelry box. And these rigid sides with the corrugated cardboard is going to handle being in conveyor belts and dropped and roughly handled, so that, you know, even when my recipient gets the items, it's still going to come out of there the way I intended it. I save chocolate boxes because they have divided sections and the cardboard is very stiff. A divided box like this comes in handy when you're quilling components like snowflakes. It's shallow, so it's great to stack, and you can label your work in progress. Best of all, it's free. CD cases are great for storing quilling pieces that are too big for the divided chocolate boxes. They're clear, so you don't have to guess what's inside, and they stack well. It's not great for smaller pieces because they could fall out of the side area after you've removed the insert. In the office, whenever your supplies have finished and they're about to toss out these boxes, I like to run in there and grab them before they get tossed away. These deeper ones can actually store more than one piece in there. As long as I don't put too much weight on here, it's great for storing more than one. And I love this box. It's really rigid, and I got it at a garage sale, but I'm sure you can find it at a stationery store. And it's great for storing my larger pieces and things like this. Don't forget to watch my other video on DIY quilling strips to see how I stored my quilling paper. Do you have ways of mailing or storing your quilling? Share your ideas with everyone in the comments below.